Kinetic Carl here. Somebody had asked if they could see the layout from above. I'm gonna give you a still video and then I'll fire it up and climb up here. I'm gonna have to do it from, I don't have a tripod that can reach this high, but, and it looks like I can't get the whole thing in the camera view. Try to block that light, it's washing across the camera. But there's the track lay, goes around behind. I can't really lean over that far, but you see it goes around behind the engine house. So now, hang on, I will fire this thing up. The trolley is better for running with, you know, if I tried to do it with the loco and car, I have to be at the throttle because you have to throttle up for parts and throttle down for parts. But the trolley is better at running kind of at one fixed speed. I'm going to warm it up though. Oop. It's only just going here. Okay. So let's see if it'll run long enough for me to. Sorry about the jerky camera. Eventually the trolley's going to pick up speed as it warms up and it'll probably derail. Yeah, it'll derail because it's going just a little too fast. But there you have a overhead run. Let me see if I can't, while it's warmed up, I'm just going to re-rail. I'm going to throttle back a little here. See if that'll behave. Basically a dog bone layout that twists in on itself. You'll see there's one portion of the track where the trolley pretty much always uses that, like this section is in right now. And then this is one of the dog bone loops that it's on right now. So now it'll come around the other way. So that's the common track it's on right now, and then here begins the other dog bone, a real short dog bone loop, and then you're back on the one common piece of track between the two dog bones. So there you have it. And this is an old school transformer and throttle. This allows me to set the voltage range, and then this allows me to fine tune it. And there you have it, Kinetic Carl in my other secret Kinetic Lab of Wonders, the O-Gauge train room.